popularity of digital communications in the age of internet may suggest that people are less likely to use printed media content. However, printing remains a big business. Wealthy populous countries are home to the world's 5 biggest book markets. Despite the increasing new technology, people still choose to read the printed text. The sales of digital media such as e-books has dropped significantly in the subsequent years, which is counterintuitive to the actual notion about digital age. Printing is an integral part of every workplace, but which industry prints the most? A study assessed the average daily pages printed per user by 9 different industries. So these facts are very well known to the existing big players in the printing industry. They tap into this huge market potential by selling their consumable ink and toner cartridges following the razor blade model. In a nutshell, it's like give them the razor, sell the blades. Printers are sold at a meager margin and earn billions and billions by selling the ink. Our inkless printing solution with meager recursive cost being a disruptive innovation would be seen as a big threat in the eyes of the existing big players. So after the mentoring sessions at NSRCL, we evolved our approach by not directly targeting the top of the market pyramid. Instead, we aim at the lower layers for the first 2 years and grab the market hold in retail, finance and transport by launching our following range of products.
So here is our flight plan for the coming 3 years, based on certain guiding principles that we believe in. Based on our high-speed inkless plasma printing technology, we provide OEM printers, receipts and label printers, printers for passbook invoices and dot matrix printers replacement. Our annual revenue predicted along 4 years. Let's look at our marketing strategies to catch potential customers. Now let's see how we can keep our customers engaged. So we got customers. Let's keep up with their demand. So let's dissect our first annual budget. Before we talk money, let's set some priorities. Our colorful budget allocation, our detailed marketing expenses, our long-term investments on R&D equipments, production cost for the initial lot of 50 units. Now here is our second and third year budget. Our new priorities are So let's see how we can sustain our business. Here are some of the sustainability measures we'll be taking. Let's see the manufacturing system constructed consisting of us engineers, vendors, distributors, service providers, customers, and users. Let's take a look at our business innovations, starting from the business model. We prefer keeping our revenue model very flexible and adaptable. The inkless printer has come a long way. The products are roughly 8 months away from deployment. After having gone through many iterations and improvements, the inkless printer at this stage can print at a resolution of 200 dpi and a printing rate at about 2 inches per second. All efforts currently are being put to convert the prototype into the product. As of now, all the electronics was integrated into custom hand-soldered circuit boards. This was the closest that we got into complete electronic integration, but this wasn't enough. The PCBs are now being developed on the CAD softwares on a computer. These files will be later then directly given to the PCB manufacturer. At this stage, open source integrated development environment or IDEs are being used to develop the firmware. Character font matrices are being developed in order to be integrated into the firmware itself. This will support native printing capabilities by the printer, which would enable it to print documents without the need of a host system.